Hey everyone, I'm Bethany from Biz Builders, and if you want to start an LLC with a partner in 2026, this is definitely for you. I'm going to show you the actual fastest way to get your multi-member LLC up and running. So here's the thing, you have two options. Option 1, spend weeks navigating your state's Secretary of State website, drafting partnership agreements, figuring out ownership percentages, getting your EIN, finding a registered agent, and, well, hoping you don't mess something up. Or option 2, let professionals handle everything while you focus on, actually building your business together. Now, I tried the DIY route once with a business partner. Big mistake. Between understanding multi-member LLC requirements, filing fees, creating a proper operating agreement that protects both partners, and spending countless hours on government websites, we wasted 3 months and still had to pay someone to fix our mistakes. So yeah, not fun. Here's what you actually need to start a multi-member LLC quickly. First, obviously, your business name. Have a primary choice and a backup that's available in your state. Second, get a registered agent with a street address in your state. This person receives legal documents for your LLC. Third, file your articles of organization listing all members. Fourth, get your EIN from the IRS. Fifth, create a detailed operating agreement that outlines ownership percentages, profit sharing, and what happens if someone wants to leave. And sixth, open a business bank account. Now, this sounds simple, but multi-member LLCs have extra complications. Partnership tax elections, member responsibilities, and dispute resolution clauses. One mistake can create major problems between partners down the road. That's why I recommend Taylor Brands. Look, they handle everything: registered agent service, state filing, EIN, comprehensive operating agreement for multiple members, even help with your business bank account. Most importantly, they know how to structure multi-member LLCs properly the first time. Here's the best part. Through our exclusive partnership, you can get started for $0 plus your state's filing fees. That's literally the cost of doing it yourself, but with professional help and partnership expertise. So stop wasting time on paperwork. Use our link in the description. Get your multi-member LLC formed properly and start building your business together today. Trust me, both you and your partner will thank you. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more real business advice. I'll see you in the next video.